My name is Rath Michaelsen and I'm working for Jyske Bank in Denmark, Copenhagen. I'm responsible and heading up the HR department in Copenhagen, where I have the all-over responsibility for HR products and services for all the branches in Sjælland, and for private banking also the branches in Switzerland, Spain and Holland, and the representative office in France. I have known Ole during many years and have been working with Ole previously in my previous jobs before I came to Jyske Bank. We have been working with change management. We have been working with management teams, getting clarity about strategy and changes that was necessary for the organizations that I work with, and worked in workshops with employees, getting involvement and commitment to the changes. It is my experience that the employees have been very motivated and involved and felt a lot of commitment after these processes and workshops that we have made. A very good basic for the success and the commitment and involvement for the employees, and a very good reason for that we succeeded with the changes.